the NeedleSketches Boxed Corner Stencils. That's along the selvage, the red dotted line down the centre of the stencil. This is the seam allowance. Then the different widths for the boxed corners. And I also have it in both in Imperial and metric units. Take the piece of fabric, that's the front and back panel, and it's stitched down the centre. And you have the midpoint of the panel, and here we're marking the 3-inch box corner. So you place the stencil a line down the centre, the red dotted line falling on the seam, mark up the seam allowance, then mark the folded line, and then mark the 3-inch boxed corner line. Do the same for the other side and mark it at 3 inches again. So now clip up the side of the two panels and stitch in place. Stitch up both sides. And this is the fold line, and that's the fold line. So open up the seam, the side seam, and fold along the marked line and use a wonder clip to hold it in place. And again on the other line, and then sew up at the markings for 3-inch box corner. Remove the excess fabric, and you're going to do the same again on the other side. Fold here and here. I clip this, just makes it a little easier to open it up. I'm just pinning this to make it easier to sew. And again, sew along the line for the 3-inch boxed corner. This is what it looks like. And remove the excess. Turn the bag right side out. And that's it. Perfectly aligned boxed corners. These are really easy to make. And just show you that's the 3-inch marking. And then the box corner is 3 inches. And then this one is a 4-inch box. And I'd just like to show you the box corners for the 4-inch, 2-inch, 4-inch, 3-inch and 2-inch. So this is your stencil, and the most important thing is to align it accurately and mark up the lines. Thanks for watching.